Hello friends, welcome to Code Champ. Today I'm going to tell you how you can make your resume and also how you can create this type of poster with AI voice. So let's go with Canva. First of all, we will just simply click on this create option. Here I just want to start my resume. So in the create option, you will type your resume. When you will type your resume, it will show the options like landscape, portrait, whatever you want. I want portrait because mostly resume is in a portrait part. So let me click on it. Just wait for 1 minute and then it will be open. When it will open at the left hand side, you can see this design option. Here you will get different types of design. Whatever you like, you just choose that one. Suppose I like this one. I will click here. With the help of this, you can make it zoom so that you can change it easily. One more part is here. Suppose you want to change it. Just click here on this magic right option. Just transform text. It will ask, this is the pro version, but you can use it very easily. Otherwise, just click here, rewrite. It will rewrite your part. And then if you like it, then just simply click on replace option. It will be there. If you have purchased pro, then transform text option you can also use. And if you want to choose the spelling, fix spelling, you can also correct the spelling. Okay, now I'm clicking on replace option like this, you can replace it. Here I also want to replace my picture, but I don't have any good profile picture. So what should I do? I will click on this add page. Let me make it small. Click here on apps. Here you will go to the profile picture. That's very easy. Just click here on the apps one and type here profile. When you will type here, profile photo will be there. Choose this one. Use in a new design because I'm taking a new page. Otherwise, you can also take a add page and you can go there. No need to take again and again. Same option you can use here also. Like, see, this is my page. I have clicked on apps. Same, I'm going here and I'm just typing here profile photo. Just click here. Click on the choose file option. When you will click here on the, let it be open first. When you will click on choose file, just choose your picture, whatever you want, because it will convert it fully. For example, I'm just choosing my picture. After that, this is female. If you want, you can choose any idea that which type of shirt you want to wear and all, and then simply click on generate option. When you will click here on the generate option, your profile photo will be changed. As I can show you, I have made it already. Here you can see. This is my profile picture, which I have changed. You can see. When your profile picture will be ready, it should be here at the bottom page. Now what you should do, you just scroll it up step by step because this is the frame. You just set it like this and it will be there. It will set automatically in your frame. So in this way, you can set your profile picture anywhere. I hope this part is properly clear for you that how you can get resume, how you can change the text, how you can set your profile photo. Now, the second part, I just want to create a poster. Again, I'm going here on the Canva homepage. Click on this create option and here I want to create Instagram post. This is your choice. You can create Instagram post or Facebook post. I'm taking this size. After uploading it will take only 1 minute. Again, it will come to the left side. I already told you how to use the elements and the curves. Now just go to the design option. My part is cooking, so I'm going to take this one. After taking this, you can just choose any type of cooking idea, which one you like. Suppose I'm going to take this one. I told you already that how to change the text, how to take the picture, everything you know very well because all these are the frames, nothing else. Now I just want to set here my voice. So first of all, I want to set the animation. I will click here, go to the animate option, page animation and the element. I just click on the page animation. Here you can see different types of animation will become. It will come at the same time in your whole page. So this is your choice, whatever you want. Suppose I'm taking this fade. It is also looking nice. Chill is also looking nice. Well, this is your choice. Choose any. I'm taking this chill. After that, I want that AI voice will come and it will represent my cooking. So just again go to the apps option and after this AI, just type here AI voice. So we will type here AI voice. When we type here AI voice, it will be open. Click on this AI voice. Just type here anything. Like I'm typing here. Welcome to Just Cook and taste your best taste. Whatever you want, you can choose. Here you can also choose the sound. That which type of
Welcome
sound
to
you
Just
want.
Cook and Taste Your Best Taste.
Just click on generate AI voice. It will take maximum 1 minute and then it will be here. Let me
Welcome
play.
to Just Cook and Taste Your Best Taste.
Fine. Like this, you can create your poster also. I hope that your resume, profile photo, the poster, AI voice, everything is clear for you. Just go with it.